How's it going, guys? It's me, Steve. Here is the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. This Halloween season, a special event is brewing at Magic Kingdom Park. Flowing over to Disney After Hours Boo Bash for a special 3-hour event that begins when the park closes. With party music, decorations, and character cavalcades galore, guests young and old and immortal can dress in costumes for the occasion and get their fill of Halloween candy, exclusive culinary offerings, spooktacular entertainment, favorite attractions, and more. Disney After Hours Boo Bash runs select nights August 10th through October 31st. Also, join Uncle Deadly from the Muppets on a self-guided tour of the most mystifying attractions at Disney parks around the world, and choose your fate in an interactive YouTube experience with a surprise tease of the upcoming Muppet and choose your fate in an interactive YouTube experience with a surprise tease of the upcoming Muppets Haunted Mansion special premiering on Disney Plus this fall. Large-scale live entertainment is back at Walt Disney World yesterday as Disney's Animal Kingdom resumes live shows at the Harambe Theater. A celebration of Festival of the Lion King is a modified version of the hugely popular Festival of the Lion King that has performed at Disney's Animal Kingdom for many years. To accommodate COVID-19 restrictions, the theater's company has been greatly reduced to approximately a third of its maximum. Empty rows provide physical distancing between groups and parties that are seated in groups of 4. If you are a group larger than 4, you will be split up. No virtual queue or FastPass Plus is in operation, but the standby line has capacities to snake through Africa from the bridge to Pandora all the way back to the main bridge into Africa. The show itself has been modified to allow for physical distancing of the performers. This means the show is about 5 minutes shorter, and we unfortunately lose the tumble monkeys and the flying bird segments of the show. These modifications are temporary during the pandemic, and the expectation is that the full show will return when conditions allow. Guest participation on the stage has been eliminated. The show has unannounced previews. However, the official debut is May 15th. Digital tip boards are now in use at Disney's Animal Kingdom and a couple of locations around the park. The first is located on the busy corner near Pizzafari, which sees a couple of traffic as guests head to Pandora or Africa. Information display includes wait times, show times, and health and safety tips. As well as theming the enclosure, the fonts are changed to fit in with the look of the land. Another tip board is located on the bridge between Expedition Everest and the Finding Nemo Theater. The Shanghai Disney Resort Instagram shared photos of some new artwork on the construction walls surrounding the upcoming Zootopia land. The art features Frou Frou, an Arctic shrew, and daughter of crime lord Mr. Big. Judy Hopps saved Frou Frou during one of Zootopia's more action-packed sequences. Zootopia will be Shanghai Disneyland's first major expansion and the park's 8th theme plan. Its major new attraction will seamlessly blend Disney's storytelling and state-of-the-art technology to bring this fan-favorite movie and its characters to life. This previous January, Tokyo Disneyland Resort announced park hours were cut from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily when the park was mandated to keep guest capacity at 5,000 people visiting each park daily due to the state of emergency. With the 5,000 guest capacity once again in effect, as Chiba Prefecture is under a quasi-emergency, the Oriental Land Company announced today that the hours cut is being revived. From May 17th to at least May 31st, both Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea will operate from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. Currently, both parks are operating between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Further Nightfall Glow performances will be suspended. In March, the parade was starting before the sunset due to these 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. hours, so naturally conditions will not be ideal for running the parade. Performances of Big Band Beat, A Special Treat, and Mickey's Magical Musical World will continue, but with only 4 performances a day instead of 5. Additionally, the Mickey and Friends Harbor Greeting at Tokyo Disney Sea will cut down to 2 performances daily. Dreaming Up will not be affected. Other measures, such as the suspension of sales of alcohol, will continue to further notice per the request of the Japanese government. Additionally, sales of early entry tickets pilot program will be suspended through at least May 31st. Bon Voyage outside the Tokyo Disneyland will operate from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. instead of 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Disneyland has announced that over 15,000 cast members who are both active and furloughed, along with their families, will be eligible for the single-shot Johnson & Johnson or the 2-shot Pfizer vaccination. The vaccination clinics will be starting on Tuesday, May 13th. The vaccination clinics will be starting on Thursday, May 13th. The vaccination clinic will be held at the Disneyland Hotel through May and June. Reservations are available with the personalized registration code through the Athena Vaccine distribution system. Cast members will also be able to receive the single-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccination at the Backstage Pharmacy for Living Well. These vaccination appointments can be made on the hub and will go through May. 6 of the Disney Springs Resort area hotels are celebrating first responders and teachers by offering special booking rates as low as $79. The hotel offering these rates include B Resort and Spa, Doubletree Suites at Hilton, Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace, Hilton Orlando Lake Buena Vista, the Holiday Inn, and the Wyndham Garden Inn Lake Buena Vista. The Disney Springs Resort area hotels offer bus service to the Walt Disney World theme parks in Disney Springs. Booking with the special rates is open now until July 10th for stays between now and July 14th. Proof of employment or supporting ID is required to check in. Preschool, daycare, K-12, and college teachers, plus school support staff, can book under the teacher rates. U.S. police officers, firefighters, EMTs, paramedics, 911 dispatchers, doctors, and nurses all qualify for the first responder rates. If Disney gave rates to teachers on property, that will be a game changer. I'm a middle school teacher, and I would love to have that discount applied to my hotel this year. Disney World cast members will soon be receiving special 50th anniversary name tags. Cast members have been asked to update their personal information so they can get the updated versions. No photos or mock-ups have been released, but the name tags will likely be in line with the iridescent color scheme that has been added to Cinderella Castle and throughout Walt Disney World. Cast members have worn unique name tags in various Walt Disney World areas, such as Pandora, the world of Avatar, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Disneyland cast members receive special name tags celebrating the reopening of the theme parks this past month. With the Disney College program finally returning, participants will be able to live in brand new housing and will have the option to live in gender neutral housing. The Disney program's website has a page dedicated to gender neutral housing. With this option, residents of multiple genders may live in one apartment instead of each unit being split up by gender. Participants can request gender neutral housing when completing their dorm registration. Nobody will be placed in gender neutral housing if they do not select the option, and the option is available in all apartment types. If participants have selected a roommate link, they will be assigned a room together. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington, for more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We are approaching 1,500 followers. Again, once we hit 1,500, I'll start giving shout outs and plugging other Disney YouTuber channels. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you to everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started, and there will be plenty more to go. Thanks for the support, and remember guys, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.